Find out the magnitude of electric field intensity at a point 2, 0, 0 due to a dipole of dipole moment I cap plus root 3 j cap at the origin. Okay. Also find the potential at that point. First of all, let me draw the graph over here. Okay. The graph will look somewhat like this. Okay. There is a dipole which passes, okay, over here, and we have to find out the potential at this point at 2, 0, 0. So its distance from the dipole is equal to 2. Now the length of the dipole is very small, so we will neglect that part initially. Okay, we have to find out the angle between the dipole over here. We have to find out the angle between the dipole and this point. Okay, which will be equal to we have to find out this point. Okay, so this point over here is equal to, now the opposite side is equal to root 3 and the adjacent side is equal to 1. Okay, so I can clearly say that the theta over here, okay, and so if I calculate this part, okay, it will be equal to root 3 and this will be over here equal to 1. Okay, so if I calculate the value of theta, tan theta will be equal to root 3 divided by 1, that is equal to root 3, or theta will be equal to 60 degree. So the angle made by the point, okay, with any one with the positive or the negative pole, okay, it does not matter, it will be equal to 60 degree. Okay, we have to first find out the electric field. Electric field has the formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, which is equal to k, okay, into kp divided by r cube into root of 3 cos square theta plus 1. This is the general formula at any angle theta, okay, at any angle theta made with the dipole. Okay, so this will be equal to k into over here, or I can, this is just simply p. Okay, I have already written k, so it will be equal to p divided by r cube. So this part will be written as k, it will be p, the momentum, the dipole moment over here will be equal to, if I want to find out the magnitude, it will be equal to root of 3 square, root 3 square, which is equal to 3 plus 1, which will come out to be root 4, which is equal to 2. So k 2 divided by r cube, the perpendicular distance over here is equal to 2 cube. Okay, the perpendicular distance over here is equal to 2 cube. Okay, into I want to find out the 3 cos square theta, it will be equal to cos 60, the theta over here is equal to 60 degree, so cos 60 will be equal to half, so cos square theta will be equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so cos square theta will be equal to 1 by 4 plus 1. Okay, it will be equal to 1 by 4 plus 1, so this will become 2 square. Okay, into k divided by 4 into, this will be equal to root 7 divided by 4, which is equal to root 7 divided by 2. Okay, this is the electric field at the any arbitrary point. If I simplify this value, the same value will come out to be root 7k divided by 8. Okay, this is the electric field at the point 2, 0, 0. We have to find out the potential. In order to calculate the potential, we will use the same formula. Okay, we will use the same method. That is, for a short dipole, V will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught p cos theta divided by r square. Okay, it will be equal to p cos theta divided by r square. Now 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is written as k, p over here is equal to 2, cos theta, the theta over here is equal to 60 degree, which is equal to half, divided by r square, which is equal to 2 square. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled out, it will be equal to the potential at this point will be equal to k divided by 4. This is the potential developed at point 2, 0, 0.